Hello, this is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how you can create and manage alerts for a SharePoint list. All right, let's jump right in. So I have my SharePoint list here, and to create an alert, all you have to do is click on the ellipses here, click Alert Me, and you can give your alert a name. I'm going to keep mine as is, and here you can choose who you want to alert. By default, it chooses yourself, and you can add any other people. I'm going to add Megan Bowen. You can choose the medium by which you get notified. You can choose email or text message. I'm going to keep mine as email. You can choose when you want to be emailed. Is it only when new items are added onto the list, when existing items are modified, or when items are deleted? Do you want to be notified also when someone else's changes the item, only when someone else changes an item created by yourself, or when someone else changes an item last modified by you? I'm going to leave as is because I want to keep track of every change. If your system gets modified throughout the day and you don't want to get overwhelmed with notifications, you can choose to either only be sent a daily summary or a weekly summary, and it'll ask you what time you want to receive this and which day. But for me, I think I want to keep track of everything. This doesn't get used as often, so it works fine for me. Once you click OK, it'll all be set up for you. And that's how you create alerts. If you want to manage your existing alerts, you can again click the ellipses here, click Manage Alerts, and you'll see all your existing alerts listed here. If you click right into it, it'll take you into that same menu and you can edit it. I'm gonna keep mine as is for now. If you want to delete an alert, then all you have to do is check here and delete selected alerts. Press OK, and you will no longer receive those alerts. Okay, thank you very much.